We all know classic chocolate fondant, right? So today I'm gonna show you something different. I'm gonna teach you how you can make fondant from white chocolate and matcha tea. So let's do it. For this recipe, you're gonna need white chocolate, matcha tea, butter, eggs, sugar and plain flour. The full recipe is gonna be in description down below. And I start with mixing white chocolate and butter on bain-marie, and I'm gonna melt them slowly together. Then, in the bowl, I'm gonna mix all the dry ingredients, flour, sugar and matcha tea. I recommend you to use sieve, so you don't get any lumps inside. And as the next step, you want to mix eggs slowly in. The best is to do it part by part, so again, you don't get any lumps and you end up with nice consistent mix. You should end up with something like this. At this time, is butter and chocolate nicely melted, so I'm gonna leave it on the side to cool it down a little bit, and then I mix it with the rest of the ingredients. You don't want to mix hot chocolate in, otherwise you would cook the eggs. Now I'm gonna prepare my pastry ring with baking paper around, so it's not gonna stick, and then I put my fondant mix in. You want to put only around half amount of the ring. And I bake it 180 degrees Celsius around 12 minutes. And of course, if you do bigger ring, you do more time, if you do smaller ring, you do less time. Because of the baking paper, you can take it out from the ring very easily. I decorate it with a little bit of powdered sugar and matcha tea, and let's cut it. And for me, this is perfect consistency. Of course, you can cook it a little bit more if you want, but also you can cook it a little bit less. That's up to you. So I hope you enjoyed today's recipe, guys. And if you want to learn how you can make classic dark chocolate fondant, check out my old video here. And I see you next time.